Hello and welcome to another devlog episode of Runes of Aereal. Today we're going to implement a card. And the card we're going to implement is here, this one, the Venomous Grasp. The Venomous Grasp apply 3 turns. If you are poisoned, apply double. So, how are we going to do this? So, applying Thorns is something which already happened in another card. Now, this one here, Thorns. And this is using a special function. So we should now configure Venomous Grasp that it also uses a special function, but not thorns, but something else we make up to say that if it's poisoned, then we apply double. So let's go over the different settings here. Target enemy is not true, because when we play that card, we are not really targeting an enemy, we're just adding thorns to the player, to the hero as well. So this should be set to 0. It should be playable, so it's not 0. The level is not really implemented now, so let's just add it 1. The cost is 1, we should leave it to 1. It should not be removed after used. Shouldn't do something with shields, damage, fragile, full card. And here we are, the cast special functions. So I'm going to call it Thorns double when poisoned. Let's copy that to the clipboard, and the value is 3 because it says apply 3 turns here. And then no venom, etc. Card type is a skill. Let's put a hint in there. This card will apply 3 turns, and that it is doubled when you are poisoned. Okay, so let's see what else. That should do it for now, I think. So what we're going to do now is make sure that we get that in our list to be added to our deck. In order to do that, I need to change the probability tables. So here are the probability tables. Let's just copy paste that here, Venomous Grasp. Here, not a mistake. Anything, probability tables, here we are. And so we should check the cards. No, it's not here. It's in the configuration. Cards, and let's add that card, Venomous Grasp, like that, and save. So now that we've done that, we can just start the sandbox. We should be able to start the sandbox. Let's see. I'm going to just game state, Achilles, random fall, and we go to the starter deck. And then a Venomous Grasp should be in here somewhere, I hope. Here we are. And we're going to remove a lot of those cards which are on the deck right now and add a whole bunch of Venomous Grasp we need in order to be sure that it is selected. Venomous Grasp. Let's save that. Start the game. And here we are.
Fight.
Give me some cards. There you are. Venomous Grasp. We've got 5 cards. 6 cards. That's because we probably have an artifact activated here. Extra card. Here we are. Amber Gold or something. What is it? Yes. So that's great. Apply 3 turns. We're not going to do anything. Of course, we've added a level up here. Great. So that's it. So now we have to implement it. We go to cards again, and then we do this. Thorns double when poisoned. So we need to go into the command functions, and we use a card, and then we go here, and there are a lot of extra special functions here, and actually we're just making a copy here of thorns, and instead of, when we do this, instead of thorns we just make it thorns double poisoned, and then we do a compare to values, player, state, poisoned, venom, player state venom is larger than 0. Then we go at, say, player state thorns plus special value times 2, else should we just like that one. So that should do it, and now I'm going to start the sandbox. Where is the Venomous Grasp? And then we should set our enemy to Venom here. Venom. So the next preferred action will be to apply Venom instead of something else. Let's save that and start the game.
Fight.
Okay, then we have Venomous Grasp. We play it, and then we have 3 thorns, which is great. We end the turn.
Enemy turn. Poisoned. 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 Your turn.
A lot of poison. So enemy turn. So means that you have now 2 thorns because they decrease, and I'm going to play another of this one. But so what it should happen is, as we are poisoned right now, it should add 6, so this should become 8. That's it. So that works, which is great. It's not really the positioning here. I should tweak that a bit, but that's exactly what it should do. Let's do some finishing up here. Going to the cards, and then we should have an attack animation or an effect or a sound. Let's see if I have some sounds, some spells, some skills, some spells I haven't used yet. That's like the 13. That's a bit too dramatic. Spell 14. I like it. So let's use spell 14 here and the sound 14. Okay, that's it. Save that. No, that's not what it's supposed to do. Sandbox. And then we go again, Venomous Grasp, start the game. Let's see if we get that little sound on top.
Fight.
No, we don't. We have that. Just cheat. Something like that. Oh, that's probably because of the command function. Okay. So we need to play the sound as well. Let's do that. Something like that. We're going to play the sound here for this special function. So that should be it. I'm also going to make it a shake and say attack 1 or 2 I don't remember which one it would be. Let's see in stuff. No, it's not in stuff. It's in the battle here. We should click Achilles here, which is in the characters. And then which one? Attack 1 does what? Yeah, okay, that might be okay. I want one where it just lifts his staff. Is this the one? Yes, this is one. So that's attack 2. That's what I thought was true. So I'm going to go here and double check. This should be attack 2. So that's great. I've added a sound, an effect, and an animation. Start.
Fight.
So this is thorns. It doesn't do that animation. So that's probably the same problem. Let's go to the command functions here. And probably somewhere it's going to be doing an animation. Cast animation. This one here, and it's going to be casting an animation. Right here, something like that. So test that shizzle. And we're going to Venomous Grasp, start the game.
Fight.
And play it. Yes. Yes. So the only thing I want to do is reverse those, but it's not going to make too much of a difference because it's asynchronous. So that's it. I've added the Venomous Grasp card. I hope you liked it. As always, please like and subscribe, and see you next time.